Hello everyone, my name is Squidward Tentacles, and I am Mr. Krabs. How's everybody? Today, we are going to be playing Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. Basically, a fan-made sequel of Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. You know, that game before Five Nights at Freddy's, that some people barely pay attention to. Yeah. Apparently, all the SpongeBob characters that we can put into this channel is going to be playing this game to 100%. Now, without further ado, let's start. And don't mind the sound effect glitches.
Where life was simple, trees fell left and right.
Ah.
Bridges and woods fell loose
Ouch.
within Seabill's presence.
Seabill.
Lived Chipper and his son Tyke. Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke,
That's the reason why I don't work with wood. Plus, I don't go to land.
Along with that, Tyke had success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa.
Samp.
So much success that
No, wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. They both love each other, so.
bonding.
Barnacles.
Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers.
Okay, so that metal thing behind him,
Tyke and Lisa
that-
eventually bought
that's obviously what Chipper's revenge is.
With this addition to the
Mike,
beaver
really?
family, Chipper was happy
We
to
don't get these stupid names. But we gotta go with Mike.
But as Mike grew up, one day Chipper
Yeah,
had
if Mega Sponge talking here, you might say something about that seeming a little familiar to Mikey Lugo.
founder.
That's a shout out there.
After a few hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion
He's gone.
he was gone.
Ga.
The
Who?
family still had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once
Why do we
was,
have short budget drawings for a second?
branded the company as
I don't know.
Tyke and Sons.
One of them look like a meme.
The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the
Yeah, now we gotta deal with these weird buzzsaw hands and not axe-wielding lunatics, for some reason. Well, little Mike, the day has come. Wait, how do I move? Oh. No, not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me throwing you out of your furry ear. That hurts. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. Okay, this space bar doesn't make any sense. Why would it work most of the time? It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. No one knows where he went, really. Weird if you ask me. Anyway, I will give you full control over our little lumber company. And I want you to be a great successor. You'll spend your days building robots and crafting it even more things from the lumber you will be gathering. Thus, you'll soon be let free from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. I'm going to be watching you from a safe distance. I am a professional. And you can come right after me if you work hard enough. But remember, no one ever beats good old Chipper. He truly was the best. Now get lost. This is your time to shine. We will start as soon as this text box disappears. That's breaking the fourth wall. What's wrong with you? Actually, before you go, take this walkie-talkie. That way we can stay in contact even from afar. You are far away. As if that would ever happen. But for real, you should explore our little company first before I let you off in the dangerous woods. Man, I stink at words. I'm counting on you, Beaver Boy. Promise me to make me a proud dad, will ya? Anyway, your first task will be to plant some trees right next to the house. There isn't much space, so don't build useless things that we don't need, okay? If you want to re-listen to what I just said, press the walkie-talkie button and you'll see very soon.
Good luck, son. See you later.
Okay, so the game begins here. As true.
Go plant trees. To do that, click on an empty spot while having the plant button on the top active.
Okay. Yep. WD to move. No, wait. It's AD. Yeah, and I remember Max Squadron said something about clicking these little secret things to unlock stuff. Oh yeah, and just remember, he also told me something about some secret happening here. We're not gonna do that, because I'll crash the game. And we can't wait that long. What is that?
Kill it with fire.
Free NBA.
Ah! Good job! Time to make that tree grow. Stand still and spam W to water it.
Alright, fire in the hole!
Firefighter Squidward!
We're already 6 minutes in. This is really confusing. Good job! Go on! This mouse. Go on! Chop that tree and don't forget to make sure make some lumber out of wood.
And it's already getting bigger. Yeah. I mean, originally it just scatters everywhere, but still.
This is gonna get boring soon, isn't it?
Don't worry, we got this.
I mean, yeah, it's a collecting game because it's what it's based off of, but still. We're supposed to build. Oh!
Okay, the Chippo-mat. Frog shed, and we're back to Chippo-mat. Oh, wait a minute. How do I... Oh, make lumber.
Great job! Time to get serious, son. Collect enough items and build the brand new Chippo-mat 1.0.
Alright. Oh, wait. Back to planning. Just gotta take a bit. Okay, we're gonna get one big tree. Man. Sometimes we're not that patient.
20 minutes later.
Alright, now it's built.
Build another Chippo-mat. It will get really useful later on.
6 hours later.
Boom.
Superb! You mastered all your tasks for today. Press space when you're in front of the house.
Great.
Alright, let's see what's going on. What a rough day. Do you want to go to bed?
Huh. Choice. Alright. I guess we'll do it.
Alright, let me open the cabin for you. Since you're so hard working now, we can switch places.
Why is there a dog barking?
I don't know. Make your toys, or take your toys to the room upstairs. I will take the attic. Good night, son. Later that night.
Alright, this is where the Five Nights at Freddy's things come in.
Oh boy.
Okay. Alright, yep. Uh-huh. Huh. Oh wait, I think I'm gonna need that battery back. Give me that. Alright, let's begin.
Go to bed and you are able to sleep again.
Why does that sound like a threat? I guess we should got here for audio cues. But since we gotta do commentary, we gotta check.
I'm kinda scared here.
Yeah. don't hear anything. What was that? Was there anything? It's right here over my feet. Oh, that's something! Oh, wait, he's back here! He's back here!
I have to break your neck. I'm just a messenger.
Okay. Hey, I got rid of him. Go back, go back. Okay, we're take our eyes for ears on this one. I'm alright doing eyes over ears. If they knock pretty loud. Oh, great, here we go again. Okay, I didn't get any sleep. I got sleep insurance. Why did I choose to play this? I don't know. I forgot to check. Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Bring it. Bring on, Shippo Matt. You ain't no tough guy.
Rev up those.
Yep. Pretty sure it's just gonna be this over and over. And we need enemies to deal with for sleep insurance to go up. Was there knocking? I don't know. Oh wait, there should be something. Yep. Freddy knows. Okay, does he look different?
Triple map.
Looks stupid. Like a hillbilly.
Over here? Yeah, he looked different. He was opening his mouth that wide. Look disgusting. I'll go down. We're halfway there. Okay, who actually moves around like this when they're looking around defending this place? And how does Mike know that there's animatronics after him? Does he just hear the knocking early? Because then he would have been attacked by that. I think I'm being overprotected with his battery. We just need to survive 2 more attacks, then we'll be good. Oh yeah, I also need to turn on the light to get into the bed. Wait, I didn't even do anything that time. Okay, he's over here. He's over here. Here. Okay, let's go, go, go! Go, go, go! Okay, and beat. Wake up! Alright.
Give it up and that up.
Early bird catches the worm.
Why did you break the alarm clock?
Good morning, son. Are you ready for round 2?
Why am I getting Dark DXE flashbacks?
As I promised you yesterday, you can go explore the island now. I've opened up the gates for you. Don't worry, I won't let you off without a very important task. That's for sure. This is important as me teaching you to walk on 2 legs. That's pretty unusual for beavers. Your mother runs a coffee shop in the town nearby. I need a mixchiato. Go! Real quick! Here's a little pro tip. You can find hidden and coins if you click on certain objects around you.
Yeah, Mr. SpongeBob already told me that.
Oh, and about the trees. Plant as many as you can. Water isn't the only thing that makes them grow. No, patience is the key to success. That's all I wanted to say. And don't forget the mixchiato.
Alright, let's get this mixchiato. Is there anything over here? No? Oh, wait. Yeah, I remember that.
Alright, let's begin.
Kill this thing. Kill this thing with water. Red lumber. Get red lumber. Kill it! Robotic wires? Why was I thinking of robotic wires? Please don't leave a 40% of everything. What is that?
Ooh, visitors. Powler is glad to have visitors. Powler is very lonely. A beaver. Oh no! Are you here to destroy Powler's beautiful flowers? Don't lie to me. I know a plant killer when I see one.
Oh, God. This guy was just protecting his flowers, isn't he? Uh-oh.
I am going to avenge all the trees you have chopped down before this will be your endgame.
But the game just started.
I'm going to kick your butt.
Okay, so yeah, I see. So what is he gonna do? Is he like... Oh, he's gonna constantly drop on us.
Okay, now this is starting to feel a little disappointing.
Yeah, could we get him to fight the animatronics that attack our house? If he wasn't against us? He was busy protecting these flowers, and here we are just destroying him of his passion. Sounds familiar, doesn't it?
Nope.
I'm talking about me, you thunderhead! Okay, break those plunger ankles. Break those plunger ankles. I'm wave dashing on him. I'm wave dashing! Oh, great, right. He's still got more to go. He's gonna land one more time right here, and that's when I get him. Heh. Ah! Just kill the thing. I didn't think the spread would hurt. Alright. No, don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Ah! Okay, that was close.
You hear these beats? That's some sick beats right there.
Okay, he's gonna land one more time, isn't he? And right down the middle. Kill him, Mike! Kill him! Yes! We did it! Oh, great. Now we can plant stuff on his grave. I'll plant a tree, do some of this, and chop down his tree before it goes big and strong. Bully material right there. Huh? Pay 200 coins for a pearl?
Is it... Wait, a pearl? Wait, we asked everybody to get something to get us money.
Looks like it. A spider? That's a starfish. And we got seaweed. What's happening here?
Hey, girl! What are you doing? Hello, I'm eating this loaf of bread. I baked it. Ah, okay, nice. Well, have fun in doing so. Thanks. You too, whatever you're doing. Thanks! Oh boy, she totally likes me.
Simp.
Simp! Simp!
That guy is simp. Alright. Miss Chop's Coffee Shop.
Hello there, Mikey.
Oh, great. Another breakup of Mikey Lugo. Boom. Another shout out, Mikey. You're welcome.
I've noticed your father's sweet little lumber company has been going not so well. Well, not to say our family isn't successful. There are loads of customers who's throwing themselves in left and right for my delicious coffee and treats. Say, I am feeling extra nice today. As sales have been oh so high, let's make a deal for a free coffee to go. If you beat this minigame, I'll hand you over a free coffee to go. Sound good? Give it a try.
Alright, sure.
Minigame time! Yeah. God. In the words of Discount Bender, the less talking you had to do, the better.
Here it comes. Take it! Take the dark butters. Tea! Tea! Oh god, why am I doing this? Shouldn't this kind of be SpongeBob's job? Yeah, but he ain't here, so... Take this. Eh. Can't remember the highest number we gotta get to. Yeah, Michael Sponge told me a lot of things about this game. Take it, take it, take it! Just shut it up. Wham, wham, wow. Superb. Thank God it's over.
Here you go.
Okay, you got coffee to go. Hey, what is this? Here's flamingos.
That's my favorite cafe.
Okay, go to here. Hey. Where's anything here I can get? Okay, money. Alright, yeah, magic cave. There's that. Okay. Right, I keep forgetting. It's W. Old saw. Why an old saw? Hey, the less expensive it is, the better. Everybody wants a free saw. Run fungus, mini rock. Spider. It's a starfish. Sure has eyes like a spider, but it's a starfish.
I ordered a mixed not a regular coffee. You really need to listen closely. How could a customer get satisfied with our work? Well, I've never tried one of these. Let's see how it tastes.
Okay, thank you for drinking it normally.
I would say it was alright. I expected more of you, though. Jeez, what was with all that drinking nonsense? But let's not talk about this incident anymore. You have important work to do. Son, we actually have a customer. A strange bird who loves rocks. He wants you to build a rock farm. This is important for our reputation. For real, if you fail this, I will ground you forever. I would help, but I'm way too busy complaining over the simple things in life. Like weird tasting coffee. Now go and make me a proud beaver.
Alright, so we're just making something for some random guy?
Yep.
Oh boy, here we go. Alright, so... rock farm. We need a flower pot, 3 mini rocks, and good rock. What else we got? Cocktail bar. And that's a lot of stuff. Okay, spider cave. And it gives us spiders. Palm tree. Palm branches and coconuts. And that's exactly what we need for it too. I'll just stop there.
Wood report, this robot has exactly what you needed.
Okay, thanks. Wasn't there a... okay. Alright, we could get, like, good rocks and mini rocks from this guy. But where on earth are we gonna find a flower pot? Wood. Run, fungus. Kill it. Mini rock. Okay, we need one more mini rock, and then we'll be halfway there. Okay, we got a good rock. That's good. Now we're halfway there. Old saw. Rich wood. Oh, it's not the good kind of rich, though. Red lumber wood. What's in here?
Welcome to Retrotopia. Retrotopia. Home of the best-selling video game. Choose a level and beat it to get really neat prize.
Okay, we got a wooden frog, paper plane, pipe, gold, and alien. I guess we'll get all these a lot of time, or someone else could play it. Currywurst. What?
Welcome to the best restaurant in town. Why is our food so good? It's because of a special ingredient, the golden acorn. But that's not the only reason why people love this place. Customers pay us with items, not coins. That being said, I hope you enjoy the food. Good appetit!
Okay, something costs like a lot of good rocks, clouds, fish, and fruit bowls. Is that supposed to be a termite?
Item shop. Welcome to the best item shop in town.
Why is this guy called Mark and he's giving me Markiplier vibes?
Time to spend your coins on some rare items.
Okay. Oh yeah, old saw, that's pretty rare. Oh wait, flower pot! We need that! Crazy face? Why is his head crazy face?
Goodbye.
What? Okay, 25 heads for a crazier face. I've got the dev's head on this, and yeah. Sponge tells me that. Oh wait, we need more lumber! We need more lumber! What's this guy's deal?
I just don't get it. Why does nobody want to play my mini game? I spent so much time on creating it.
Out of order. Alright. I'm guessing it has something to do with going underwater. Black lumber. What's in here? Nothing. Oh, we got a light bulb. Oh, we got a mini crab. Ah! Golden acorn. Hide the body! Right.
I'm just chilling in the sun. I see people losing money here quite often. You might find some of it in the sand.
Alright, minigame.
Shoot the Chipomats. Get through the 100 points and I'll give you something cool.
Alright, that feels satisfying.
It probably is.
A little off aim. I'm not much of a shooter. Ah! It cost so much time, so much time! Ow! So close! Ah! God, never do that again. With this stupid mouse. Yep, we probably need that for something. Alright, you said something in the sand we could find? I don't see anything to get. Oh, and we got last coin. I could get the flower pot. And there's the ropes. And a guy who's depressed over plays their games, and X. Oh yeah, right. Okay, item shop. Here we have flower pot. Yeah, I thought that'd be something. How's our plans look? Wait. We almost got everything. We just need one mini rock, and we're good. Hey, where's this last guy? Feathers. Minigame. I thought I was gonna give us many rocks. It'd be ironic. Old saw. Jump from cloud to cloud and reach the goal in time. Don't fall off. Full chest. Oh no. I want to hold chest this entire time. See? This is better because I don't have to shoot at something in a limited amount of time. I can mess up so many times. Oh wait, this is also timed. Why is everything timed? Go! Superb. I don't get why we have to hold shift on everything. A golden acorn. Okay, these golden acorns gotta come back for something. Kill it. Kill this. Kill it. Axe. Robotic wires. Why am I getting robot wires for these little things? Just kill the thing. Mini rock! Thank God!
Oh yeah, see Bill, an old family friend wants to... But no, you better. He's invited you to his place. The birdhouse.
The birdhouse. I think I seen it a while back.
It's so nice to finally talk to you, Ike. Your father has always kept you safe in the cabin. I only met you once, back when you were, a baby. Maybe a little older than that. I'm sure you will meet many nice people. Well, now that you can explore freely. Yeah, your father has always had an obsession with safety. Thinking the world is dangerous and whatnot.
Well, yeah. I mean, he burnt out some kind of great tree. And caused a big fire, what it looks like. Well, I'm pretty sure it'd just be something smaller than fire.
But trust me, funny things happened to him, too. Back when I was a young lad traveling the sea. I retired that years ago. I own a company now called Seabill Industries. Trademark. We build robots and ship them all over the world. You could say that in some way, sea traveling is still involved. Here's one tip from me if you want to start your own company. Don't do or make anything people are not asking for. You will only get in trouble. A few years ago, I designed a special robot all by myself, with the intentions of making my closest friends happy. I designed them to reflect their personality and look, but it only got me into trouble. I'm not getting into detail here. Don't want to set up a rant. Just a pro tip from an artist to a future artist. You seem like someone who would take note of that. You seem more attentive than Tyke. I'm glad that I had the chance to meet you today. Hopefully we could work this out into a good friendship. If you don't mind, I actually have a task for you. The beavers like working, right?
Well, I don't know. I never met a beaver.
My crab pals at the beach each need a talented builder to decorate their home. They asked me, but I'm really busy all the time. This is your opportunity to show me how skilled you are. There may even be a bit of multitasking required. Can you help them? That would be really neat of you, of course. Finish your pie first. No one should ever work when they're hungry. So we're going to the Krabs, eh?
Light bulb.
Can you help the Krabs, please? The elevator looks a little off.
Yeah. Oh, now there's more spots.
We wanted to build one of our cocktail bars here, but we're simply missing the needed materials.
Alright, then give me some.
Look, a palm tree over here would make a big difference.
Alright. Now all we need... Oh, yep. I'm remembering everything now. Where am I supposed to find palm branches? Oh wait, I think I remember I was in that one coin shop. Yeah, that's still there. Turn around, collect coins.
Report! The wood is especially beautiful today. Is it amazing how we are able to grow rocks? Take a few here.
Yeah, that would have been helpful a while back. Now I need palm trees. Oh, how convenient timing. Wait, is there any? Yep. Can't remember what most of anything costs. Oh, what's that? Chilper.
I was a real beef once. Just kidding. Can you do me a little favor? I'm slowly melting. Could you bring me a little bit of snow? Bring me about 20 chunks. I will reward you, of course.
Guess it's one of those golden acorns. I do not like the look of this place. Ah! Okay. Click around, just be sure. There's a well here. Alright, Mr. Alien, I'll try one of your levels. Okay, 5 flowers. I look like Kirby. That's a little easy. Yep. Too easy. I'm just waiting for something to happen. And there is one here. Okay, I guess that's one that just shows up at the very end. Just to throw you off.
Congrats. Here, take your reward.
I got one frog. I just got a paper plane. Oh, no, I see why it's a paper plane, because a bird's trying to kill us. By dropping eggs. I don't even know what a bird is.
And look out! Eggs! Eggs!
Oh, he's dropping them faster. Break this bird's egging egg. I don't know. I'm running out of stuff to say. Don't trip on these. Heh. I broke his ankles.
Congrats. Here, take your reward.
I got a paper plane.
Dang! I didn't want to know how many days it's been. I lost track. 43!
Alright, so I'm back. I figured out that I can just do that. Okay, palm branches or coconuts. Alright. I also got the golden acorn from the triple map minigame. So you want a tall tree here.
That palm tree, he looks so good. Thank you.
Great. Not only I'm working for one crab, I gotta work for a whole army of them now. Coconuts, I didn't fall last time. Kill this thing. Kill this thing! See what... How much do I need? I need one fruit ball. Where am I gonna find a fruit ball? Where am I gonna find a water bottle? I know where to find bamboo, though. I gotta get out of the way, Spire.
Water report! The smell of freshly sawed wood is just arousing. A rock farm. How extraordinary. Yet, Fascinating. And they grow up so fast.
Okay, how's the bag looking? Okay, I can get 5 more coins. Cause I got like 6 lumber. Alright. Okay, finally. That took forever.
Thank you for your help. Thank you. You know, we could have managed it without you if we still had our robot. Yes, if we had that robot. Robot. Oh, right, you weren't there when it happened. But that's weird that no one told you about it. Yes, that's weird. A few years back, the robot industry was booming. Almost everyone got a machine to perform tasks. Bill actually found the time to create a few robots all by himself. He gave them to some of his closest friends into the friend zone, which we were part of. Our robot was called Summer Crab. She was designed to find treasure, build houses, and act as a companion. It sometimes felt as if she was alive, not like a robot at all. But we've got complaints. Some told us that Summer Crab was seen sneaking out and vanishing, vacationing in other areas. I didn't read that. Even Chipper called us one day. He thought that Summer Crab was hostile. After Chipper disappeared, people assumed that she was responsible and had to destroy her. He went then with her to the highest cliff, saying that we need some ice for our cocktails. We gave her a little push and that was it. Medic! The moral of the story is that you can make cocktails even without ice. True. Some people claim to have sighted her during last spring. That's why they started calling her Spring Crab. Spring Crab? Really?
I'm just putting fingers in Springtrap right now.
Anyway, thanks for your help again. We will tell Bill what great head of a job you did. I feel like I should act very soon. Mike is going to ruin the whole thing for me. He will expose me. I can't let that happen. I have to get rid of him. That would be too much of a problem, though. I've done similar things before, and I will continue to take care of those who find out more than they need to know. I'm a mastermind. I can't fail. I get what I want. My name isn't. Did I just have a stroke? I actually forgot my name. But anyway, I'm going to get you, Mike. I'm always ahead of you, you little brat. Hey, kiddo. Bill went by. He seems very happy about you visiting him today. He said that you two already built a good connection, like a nephew and his uncle. And let me tell you, he is a rich uncle. If he ever tasks us with something, we should definitely put that before anything. Who knows how much money we will make if we have him as a regular customer. Changing the topic, you will make a brand new Chippomat 2.0. How does that sound? Gather all the items you need. If you can find any, see you can buy them at the items shop. This is the last thing to do for the day. I'm counting on you.
But yeah, we're gonna I'll stop right there. And yeah, we got a lot to go to get this guy. So that's it for today's video. We're definitely gonna just be playing this whole series because this is basically one of Mega Sponge's favorite games. And why is the water can backwards? Yeah, leave a like and let us know how you think about this becoming a series. Yeah, we're still doing it no matter what. Yeah, just like with Carnival.exe. You know, if you want to follow up with Tyke and Sons and Lumber Co., well, with SpongeBob characters playing it, for some reason, just please subscribe to catch up with a lot more, with a lot more stuff with me and others. And if you want to be notified by it, just hit that bell down below. If you like the video, or don't like it, I mean, it's not really your choice to like it or not. You could just... We're not really pushing if... We're not pushing you to say, hey, hit the like button. We're just saying either way works.
Wood report! This robot has exactly wood you need.
Oh, shut up, Chippo Matt. Oh, rock lever 2.
These caves are overflowing with spiders. This is abnormal.
Oh yeah, I made that walk back.
Palm trees drop items all the time. This is what we got.
Alright, yeah. No. You know the drill. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.